Welcome to this explainer. Look, today our goal is to completely demystify something pretty exciting, building a full stack application using SAP's latest AI tools. There's this lingering misconception out there that relying on low-code or AI-assisted platforms means you somehow have to sacrifice complex custom functionality. Well, we're going to prove that absolutely false today. By walking through real-world implementation steps, we'll see exactly how you can go from zero to hero, literally transforming a completely empty project into a fully functional system.
Okay, let's dive into this because this is genuinely the multi-million-dollar question in enterprise software today. Just how fast can you build a full-stack application? Traditionally, the answer was, well, weeks. Weeks of setting up environments, agonizing over database schemas, and writing hundreds of lines of tedious boilerplate code before you even had a basic prototype to look at. But with the advent of AI-assisted development, that timeline, it hasn't just shrunk, it's been completely obliterated. We are looking at a massive paradigm shift here, where incredible speed actually meets robust architecture.
So, to show you how this is possible, here's our roadmap. We'll move through this setup, architect the data, inject the logic, wrap it all up in a UI, and finally, run the test to prove the whole shebang actually works. Let's kick things right off with phase one, the setup. But before we start clicking any buttons, we really need to define the star of our show today, SAP Joule. And let's be clear, this isn't just some generic chatbot slapped onto a dashboard. Joule is a highly specialized generative AI assistant integrated directly into your SAP Build code editor. Think of it like having an expert developer sitting right there as your co-pilot. Instead of manually typing out tedious syntax, you just chat with Joule. You tell it what services you need, what business logic you want, and it literally writes the code for you right inside your environment. It is conversational coding at its absolute finest. So, how do we actually get this co-pilot up and running? Honestly, it's staggeringly fast. First, you just log into an SAP BTP Trial Global account. From there, you head over to the Booster section, search for the SAP Build Code Booster Pack, and just click Start. That's essentially it. This booster completely automates the entire configuration process for you. There are absolutely no complex environment variables to mess with, no manual network configs, none of that. Once it finishes, you just open SAP Build Code, hit Create New, Full Stack Application, and boom! In a matter of minutes, you're sitting in a pristine, ready-to-go development environment. Okay, so with our environment prepped and Joule ready in the sidebar, let's move right into phase two, the data. Time to gather the ingredients for our backend. Now, what's really interesting about this is how effortlessly these backend structures come together. We're talking about distinct relational data models here for customers, purchases, redemptions, and products. In an old-school workflow, a developer would have to sit there and manually define every primary key, every single data type, every relationship in a schema file. But with SAP Build Code, you literally just open the Joule Chat Assistant and type out a simple, plain English description of the models you need. From that one single prompt, Joule instantly architects all 4 of these comprehensive data models. It's an absolutely massive shortcut, and it doesn't compromise your enterprise structural integrity one bit. But having the architecture isn't quite enough, right? We need to actually test it with data. Now, Joule lets you generate sample data instantly. Say, give me 5 mock records for my customers. But initially, AI often defaults to basic, kind of useless randomized placeholders. So to upgrade this, we use a little touch of magic. You just type this exact prompt into Joule. Make this data meaningful. And this brilliantly illustrates contextual AI in action. Instead of getting meaningless, randomized alphanumeric strings that make visual testing a total nightmare, Joule understands the actual context of a customer database. It instantly provides highly realistic dummy data. We're talking names like Bob Brown and John Doe, proper email formats, and completely realistic numeric values. It makes your entire development and testing process infinitely more intuitive, and all it took was a 5-word prompt. Now that our static data models are beautifully populated, we move to phase 3, the logic. This is where we inject actual, functional business rules into our app. Let's look at our purchases entity as an example. When a customer makes a purchase, we obviously want them to earn reward points. Instead of hunting through endless documentation to figure out the exact syntax for a create event handler, you just select the AI-enabled application logic option in Build Code. Then you paste in a plain English rule. Literally just, reward points has to be 1/10 of the total purchase value. Joule reads that natural language, processes the math, and seamlessly injects the correct executable business logic right into your backend. No boilerplate required. And the best part? We just repeat this exact same conversational coding process for other critical events, like redemptions. You just tell Joule the rules. Hey, when a redemption happens, deduct those points from the customer's balance, and correctly calculate the new total value. Joule writes the code, you quickly review it, hit accept, and just like that, complex transactional logic is fully implemented. You are essentially acting as the high-level architect, while the AI acts as the builder. All right, so we have robust data and we have smart business logic. Now we shift to phase 4, the UI. We need to wrap all this power into a user interface so people can actually use it. SAP Build code makes front-end generation this incredibly fast, repeatable 1-2-3 rhythm. Step 1, you add a new UI app and pick a template. Step 2, select the list report page layout, which, by the way, is absolutely perfect for enterprise data. Step 3, assign the backend entity. So first, you assign purchases and hit finish. Boom. A beautiful list view is generated. Then you literally just repeat the process. Plus button, list report, assign customers. Plus button, list report, assign redemptions. In just a few minutes, you have generated clean, standardized professional front-end screens for every single one of those complex data models. Which brings us to our final phase, phase 5, the test. It is time for the ultimate taste test to prove this rapidly assembled app works end-to-end. When we launch the app, we can immediately run through some active testing. First up, we open the customer's UI. Right away, we see the list successfully populated with that meaningful mock data we generated earlier. Next, we click on our mock customer, Bob Brown, hit edit, and tweak his details, and the database updates flawlessly. But the real test is new input. So we go back to the list, click create, and type in a brand new record for a customer named Raj Kumar. We add his email, his specific customer numbers, and click save. We navigate back, and there he is. The UI talks to the logic talks to the database, and the new record is saved perfectly. The app is fully operational. So what should you really take away from this explainer? Well, the productivity gains here are just massive. First off, this workflow entirely eliminates those soul-crushing, repetitive, boilerplate setup tasks that historically bog down project timelines. Second, it enables true conversational AI coding. You're just talking to Joule to build your logic. Third, you're generating instant, meaningful mock data and standard UI screens with just a few clicks. Ultimately, mastering tools like SAP Joule frees you up from the mundane stuff, allowing you to focus your energy on high-level architecture and solving actual complex business problems. For sure, this is a vital skill for staying ahead in software development right now. We've just seen how incredibly fast you can go from zero to a fully functioning end-to-end application using SAP Build code and SAP Joule. You've got the tools, and now you have the roadmap. So I want to leave you with this thought. How will you use AI to revolutionize your own software development workflows? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you build next.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.